Alright, so this is the game. The name of the game is Answer My Question Round, in which there are total 6 participants and they have given one translation to each of them. The translations means they have given sentence in Hindi which they have to translate, and whoever wins will, her name will be written over here. She'll be the winner. So we're just about to start the game, and these are the participants. As you can see, due to Corona, we are strictly following the Corona guidelines, and they have left 2 seats each. And we are also not running the center at full strength currently. The students have been called in different batches so that we could follow the guidelines also, as well as we should not have the danger of spreading Corona. So let's go ahead with the game.
श्रीजा, वह अपना काम कर रही थी, लेकिन क्या वह अपना काम रोज करती है? She was doing her work, but does she her work daily?
गलत।
Okay, so what is the correct?
She was doing her work, but does she do her work daily?
You forgot the main one. Okay. Next.
नेक्स्ट अरुला, कल मैं छत पर 8 PM तक खड़ी थी क्योंकि सब कह रहे थे कि मेघा ने अभ्रक चोरी की। Yesterday I stood above the roof till 8 PM because all were saying that Megha did steal sparkle.
I have written yesterday.
Is it correct? Is it right or wrong?
Sir,
Okay, you're not sure. Okay, read it.
yesterday I stood at roof till 8 PM because everybody was saying that Megha stole glitter.
Megha stole?
Glitter sparkle.
And आपने क्या लिखा है? Read again.
Yesterday I stood above the roof till 8 PM because all were saying that Megha did steal sparkle.
Okay, so I think both are correct.
राजेश अपना होमवर्क कर रहा था, क्या वह रोज करता है? राजेश was doing his homework. Does he do daily?
Whose question is this?
रोमा,
Okay. Okay, is it correct? Is it correct or not? सही है? Okay, आपने क्या लिखा बोलिए?
Rakesh was doing
राजेश?
his homework. Does he do daily?
Okay. Okay. Next.
नितिका का, मेरी मम्मी रोज सुबह उठती है, फिर खाना पकाती है। कल वह उठकर झाड़ू लगा रही थी। Every day in the morning, my mother wakes up, then cooks food. But yesterday, after waking up, she was grooming.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What have you written?
My mother wakes up early daily in the morning. Then she cooks food. But yesterday she did wake up and grooming the house.
First, Srijati asked to me that वह कहाँ जा रही थी? क्या वह वहाँ रोज जाती है? Where was she going? Does she go there daily?
Sorry.
What have you written?
Where was she going? Does she go there daily?
Okay. So it's correct?
हाँ.
She asked, मैंने उसका खिलौना उसे वापस दे रही थी। मैं उसका खिलौना उसे वापस दे रही थी। I was returning her toy to her. I was returning her toy to her.
Is it correct? What have you written?
I was giving back his toy to him.
Both are correct. Next.
Then मैम asked, जब पेड़ से पत्ते गिर रहे थे, बूढ़ी दादी उसे उठा रही थी।
Okay.
When leaf was falling from tree, then old grandmother was putting that.
Come again. फिर से बोलिए.
When leaf was falling from tree, then old grandmother was putting that.
Old grandmother was
Putting that.
putting that. Is it correct? Okay. So what is the correct answer?
When from tree was falling its, then an old grandmother was picking it.
Come again. फिर से बोलिए.
When from tree was falling leaves, their old grandmother was picking it.
No, this is also incorrect. So you both will get -1. Okay? When first thing remember, जब पेड़ से पत्ते गिर रहे थे, पत्ता एक नहीं गिरा है, पत्ते गिर रहे हैं, पत्ते गिर रहे थे, मतलब बहुत सारे पत्ते होंगे, करेक्ट? So when leaves were falling from tree, and leaves पत्ते हैं तो where हो जाएगा, was नहीं रहेगा. When leaves were falling from tree, then old grandmother was picking it up. Okay? So this is -1 for both of you. Wait, just wait. Next.
रोमा दी आस्क्ड, विद्यार्थी कक्षा में बहुत जोर से बोल रहे थे. स्टूडेंट वर मेकिंग नॉइज लाउडली.
Students will make. Is it correct?
My students were speaking loudly in class.
और हिंदी में क्या था?
विद्यार्थी कक्षा में बहुत जोर से बोल रहे थे.
ओके. क्या लिखा आपने? अगर कोई शोर मचा रहा है, then it is making noise, और अगर जोर से बात कर रहा है तो speaking loudly. So both are correct in your place. So that's okay. So you got 4 marks. Okay, Amna?
When Ramesh did come to my home, then I was making tea. Sangeeta.
Was it correct?
मैं कुकिंग लिखी हूँ सर.
Anula. Yesterday the bell was not ringing. That's why sir told us that do not start singing.
Is it correct, Anula?
Sir, but I have written that yesterday bell was not ringing. That's why sir told to us that we don't have to start the song.
Written.
Yesterday the bell was not ringing. That's why sir told us that do not start singing. 3. Yesterday she was going to Bilaspur.
Is it correct, Shri? Okay. Next.
Roma Didi. Some boys were playing football in the ground.
Is it correct? What was the question? क्या लिया था आपने? पढ़िए हिंदी में. Okay, who's next?
Nitika.
Okay.
Yesterday he was telling that today Rajesh Bhaiya is not coming.
पूछा था
Who?
कल वह कहाँ जा रही थी? क्या वह दुकान को जा रही थी? Where was she going yesterday? Was she going to shop?
Is it correct?
Correct.
Okay. Next.
अनुला दीदी ने पूछा था परी ने पीहू को गोली मारी सपने में. परी did shoot पीहू in dream.
Is it correct?
Sir, but इसमें पीहू को तो 2 people.
What have you written?
परी ने पीहू को गोली मारी.
What have you written in English?
परी shot to पीहू.
Pari shot to you in dreams. Okay. And what have you written?
Pari did shoot Pihu in dream.
She has written it correctly.
संगीता मैम ने पूछा था
Okay.
मैं चिड़िया को देख ही रही थी कि वह उड़ गई. I was looking at the bird, then she flew.
What have you written?
Once again repeat.
I was looking at the bird, but then she flew.
What have you written?
I was seeing two bird only that it flied.
Wrong.
But you
Fly, flew, flown. Fly का flight नहीं कर सकते आप. Fry का flight कर सकते हो. Fly, flew, flown. So -1. Okay, next.
रोमा दीदी ने पूछा था वह अच्छा भाषण दे रही थी. She was giving good speech.
Is it correct? She was giving good speech. What have you written?
She was giving good speech.
अच्छा.
नितिका दीदी ने बोला था पूजा दौड़ रही थी इसलिए वह गिर गई. पूजा was running so she did fall.
Is it correct? What have you written?
Pooja was running, that's why she did fall down.
Okay. So you got total 4 marks. Okay, -1 for that answer.
पार्टी में नहीं आई क्योंकि मैं सो रही थी. Yesterday did I not come in party because I was sleeping.
Is it right? Okay, so what is the right answer?
Yesterday I was sleeping. That's why I did not come to party.
Okay. So -1. Next.
मैं वहाँ जा रहा था. क्या वह भी वहाँ जाता है?
Whose question is this?
श्रेया.
Srija. Okay.
I was going there. Does he go to there?
Is it correct?
No.
Okay, so what's the correct answer?
I was going there. Does he also go there?
Correct. So -2. Next.
वह हरी सब्जी ला रहा था.
Whose question?
Sri.
Okay.
He was bringing green vegetables.
Correct है? Okay. Next. So till now we have -2, right? एक सही है, दो गलत. Okay.
मैं
Okay.
रोशनी पढ़ने गई तब रोहन साइकिल चला रहा था. रोशनी did go study. Then Rohan was cycling.
Rosni went to read. Then Rohan was riding bicycle.
Okay, both are correct. Till now, the scores are like this. Shrija 5 out of 5, Shri 4 out of 5, Anula 4 out of 5, Roma 2 out of 5, Sangeeta ma'am 2 out of 5. So we are left with Nitika now. If Nitika scores 5, then there will be tie between Shrija and Nitika, and again questions will be asked between them. If not, then undoubtedly Shrija's name will come here as a winner. Okay, so let's go ahead.
फर्स्ट, वह कल घर को जा रही थी. क्या आप भी उसके घर पर रहते हैं हो? श्रीजा. यस्टरडे शी वॉज गोइंग टू होम. डू यू ऑल्सो स्टे एट हर होम?
Okay, so what is the right?
She was going to home. Do you also live in the same house?
Next.
तुम मुझे क्यों मार रही थी? इसलिए मैंने तुम्हारे लिए गिफ्ट नहीं खरीदा. अनुला. Why was you beating me? That's why I have not bought gift for you.
I have.
What is the question?
तुम मुझे क्यों मार रही थी? इसलिए मैंने तुम्हारे लिए गिफ्ट नहीं खरीदा.
Okay. If she answers it more correctly, then you will get -1. Okay, what is the answer?
Why were you beating me? That's why I did not buy gift for you.
Exactly. That is the correct answer. So you get -1. Okay? Alright, next.
वह मुझे खाना खिला रही थी. रोमा दीदी. She was feeding me food.
She was feed food me. आपको माइनस है. Wait. Next.
जब सोना पतंग उड़ा रही थी तभी रीना ने उसकी पतंग काट दी. संगीता मैम. When Sona was flying kite, at the same time Reena has cut her kite.
What have you written?
When Sona was flying kite, then Reena cut her kite.
This is correct. That is correct. आपने you have translated it in present perfect tense. She had given you past indefinite tense. Correct? So done.
एक और है. मैं उसे बेटर लिख रहा था. श्री. I was writing better than him. I was writing better than him.
I was writing better than her. मैं उससे बेहतर लिख रहा था. आपने क्या लिखा है?
मैंने क्वेश्चन ही अलग किया है.
क्या क्वेश्चन दिया है?
लेटर लिख रहा था.
मैं उससे लेटर लिख रहा था.
आपने क्या लिखा? बेटर.
मैं उससे बेटर लिख रहा था. बेटर.
All right. So the last round, the winner is, as you can see, Nitika scored 3 out of 5, Shrija scored 5 out of 5, Shri 4 out of 5, Anula 4 out of 5, Roma 1 out of 5, and Sangeeta ma'am 2 out of 5. So the winner is, I'm writing the name here, Shrija. Please have a big round of applause for Shrija.